Hello everyone, and welcome to our lesson for today. For today's lesson, we will be doing the first part of getting to know letters. So let's get started.
Materials!
All you need for our lesson today is just your thinking cap, so let's get our brains ready. There are 2 learning targets for our lesson today. The first target says, I can follow along in a shared text or poem. The second target says, I can identify the name and sound for the letters Q, U, and X.
Read aloud.
We are going to read a poem today. I want you to listen very carefully as I read through the poem and notice all of the words that I say as I'm reading through. The title of our poem is called A Fox and Quail in the Rain, so get ready to listen and follow along. A fox on a box and a quiet little quail sat under an umbrella in the rain. It was 5:45. They were in quite a fix. The water, it was rising so quick. They climbed up a big tree, and who did they see? A queen with a bright golden crown. So together they sat and had a long chat and waited until the water went down. Did you hear any rhyming words in our poem? Yes, I heard some rhyming words too. I heard the rhyming words fox and box, 6 and fix, tree and sea, sat and chat.
Sounds.
This picture shows a quail. The sound that we hear at the beginning of the word quail is the qu sound. Can you say that sound too? Qu. Yes. The name of this letter is Q. I wonder if we can think of some more words that begin with the letter Q and make the qu sound. Can you think of some? Great. I thought of some words too. I thought of the words queen, quiet, and quilt. They all begin with the letter Q and they all make the qu sound, just like in quail. Nice work. This picture shows an umbrella. The sound that we hear at the beginning of the word umbrella is the sound. This is the letter U. Can you say like an umbrella? Nice work. I wonder if we can think of some more words that make the sound just like in our word umbrella. I thought of some words that make the sound like an umbrella. I thought of the words up, umpire, and undershirt. All of these words begin with the letter U and they make the sound, just like an umbrella. This picture shows a fox. The sound that we hear at the end of the word fox is the x sound, and it is the letter X. Can you make that sound? X. Nice job. I wonder if we can think of some words that also have the X sound, x, in them. Let's see if we can think of some. I thought of some words that have the x sound at the end, just like in fox. I thought of the words mix, 6, and box. They all have the x sound at the end of the word, just like in fox. Nice job. We're going to use the word quail to help us remember the qu sound for the letter Q. We're going to use the word umbrella to help us remember the sound for the letter U. And we're going to remember the word fox to help us remember the x sound for the letter X. Do you remember that these are our key words and that key words help us unlock the sounds? I bet you remember our letter chant and how the key words work. Remember, we say the letter, then the sound, and the key word. I want you to repeat them after me. Ready? Let's try the letter Q first. Q, qua, quail. Q, qua, quail. U, umbrella. U, umbrella. X, fox. X, fox. Nice work remembering the letter sound chant.
Writing.
Remember, every letter has an uppercase and a lowercase letter. Let's practice skywriting our letters. That means we're going to use our arm like a pencil. Let's practice making the letter Q first. I want you to watch me first and then you'll try it with me. Ready? When we make the uppercase Q, we start at the headline. We go all the way around to the foot line and come all the way back up to the headline. And then we come down to the middle of our circle and we make a line coming out like a little kickstand on the right for our uppercase Q. Now try it with me. Start at the headline, come all the way down around to the foot line and all the way back up to the headline. Then go to the middle of your circle and make a little slant line to the right like a kickstand coming out to that foot line. And we've made our uppercase Q. Now watch as I make the lowercase q. I'm going to start at the belly line and I'm going to go around to the foot line, making a C and coming all the way back up to the belly line. And then I'm going to come down and make a line all the way down to the tail line and make a little curve at the end of that line. Are you ready to try it with me? All right, belly line, our fingers are there. We're going to start going all the way around to our foot line and coming all the way back up, and then making a straight line down past the tail line, and then a little curve at the end of our line. Nice work with your lowercase q. Now let's get ready to try to make our other letters. Let's make our uppercase U. Watch me first. I'm going to start at the headline and come all the way down to the foot line, making a curve and go all the way right back up to the headline. Now try with me. Start at the headline, come all the way down to the foot line, make a curve, and then go straight back up to the headline. Now let's make our lowercase u. Watch me first. I'm going to start at the belly line. Starting at the belly line, coming down to the foot line, make a little curve and go back up and stop at the belly line. Try it with me. Starting at the belly line, coming down to the foot line, making a curve and going right back up to the belly line. And we've made our lowercase u. Now let's try to make our final letter. Let's try to make the uppercase X. Watch me first. I'm going to start at the headline and I'm going to slant it all the way down to the foot line, and then I'm going to come back up, go on the other side at the top of the headline and come down, slanting it all the way down to the foot line. Now you try it with me. Start at the headline, come all the way down at a slant to your right and stop at the foot line. Go back up to the headline and come all the way down the other way at a slant to the left and stop at the foot line. Now let's do the lowercase x. Starting at the belly line again, and we're going to slant it down to the foot line and stop, then come back up to the belly line and slant to the left again and stopping at the foot line. Now try with me. Starting at the belly line, slanting down to the right and stopping at the foot line, coming back up to the belly line and slanting again, crossing our X in the middle and stopping right there again at the foot line. Nice job skywriting all of those letters with me.
Closing reflection.
When we see the letter U, how can we remember what sound it makes? Yes, think of our keyword umbrella and listen for the first sound, or the sound of the letter U, Yes. How will that help us with reading or writing? Nice job. We've met Q, U, and X. In the next lesson, we'll get to know them even better and learn how to write them. Thanks for joining me today as we practice writing our letters Q, U, and X, and we learn the sounds for them. I hope you enjoyed writing your letters with me, and I will see you next time. Bye.